Experiential learning is key to getting kids excited about eating the unique and culturally significant foods of Hawaii. Farm-to-school experiences connect students with their food and with the Aina. Now you can bring local food education to your school community by hosting a successful Harvest of the Month event using Ho'opili farm-to-school tasting boxes and educational resources. The Ho'opili Food Campaign is a partnership with local nonprofits that provides resources needed to connect Hawaii's keiki to locally grown staple foods like kalo, ulu, uala, and pala'ai. With our farm-to-school tasting boxes and coordinated lesson plans, you can create interactive experiences that keiki will remember and love, increasing the likelihood that they will eat these foods in the future. There are 2 farm-to-school boxes to choose from: the cafeteria tasting box and the classroom tasting box. Farm-to-school tasting boxes feature the first 4 crops on the Hawaii Harvest of the Month calendar. Each tasting box comes with educational resources and free shipping to Hawaii schools. The Farm-to-School Cafeteria Tasting Box comes with 25 pounds of frozen, recipe-ready staple foods for approximately 200 individual 2-ounce servings. These boxes are perfect for engaging the school community in a Harvest of the Month school-wide event that includes hands-on garden activities, classroom mini lessons, and a student taste test. Anyone can plan and organize a Ho'opili Harvest of the Month school-wide event using the resources provided online. The Farm-to-School Classroom Tasting Box comes with 25 individually packaged 12-ounce sample bags with cooking cards for students to take home and prepare with their families. Using the Ho'opili multimedia lesson plans, standards-aligned K-5 discussion questions, and downloadable coloring pages, you can engage students in a classroom mini-lesson about the importance of eating locally sourced staple foods before sending sample bags home for families to try on their own. Teachers can easily organize a Ho'opili classroom lesson by downloading standards-aligned lesson plans and resources from the Ho'opili webpage. Funding concerns? Apply for sponsorship by filling out an online request form at ulu.coop/Ho'opili. Sponsored boxes are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Ho'opili events will be most valuable when embedded in your school's curriculum. Plan to make meaningful connections whenever possible. Use biodegradable serving dishes and utensils whenever possible. If you have a composting program on campus, compost any leftover food waste. Recruit volunteers to help along the way. Spread the word and generate excitement. Make announcements at assemblies, in the school bulletin, classroom newsletters, or on social media leading up to the event. And remember to post pictures and student reactions afterward using the hashtag Ho'opili. Ho'opili tasting boxes are large. Confirm with your cafeteria manager that there's space to store them. Unopened tasting boxes can be stored in a refrigerator for 7 days. Initiate conversations with your cafeteria management before the event about how samples will be prepared and portioned and who will be responsible for their distribution. Ho'opili family tasting samples must be refrigerated until use. If you have students staying after school, provide coolers of ice for the after-school program so samples can stay fresh, and communicate to families in advance so they are prepared to receive them. With Ho'opili farm-to-school tasting boxes and coordinated educational resources, you have everything you need to build a standards-aligned interactive food systems lesson that students will truly enjoy and remember.